So the folks over at Llano were nice enough to send me this dual camera battery fast charger for your Osmo Actions 345s with the 1950 batteries, your Osmo 360s, your Osmo Action 6, and this is their case, the DJI case, which is awesome. It gives you a green and amber light when the batteries are charged or discharged, but it does not have a battery charging in it. You got to plug it in. The difference between the DJI model and the Llano model is that we're going to have an indicator screen here. It's going to tell us the percentage of the battery and where we're at. Get your manual. Always read your manual. You're going to get, looks like a nice carrying bag. Okay. Waterproof little bag there. I like it. You're going to get a strap. So you're also going to get your USB-C charging cable, which does have a decent amount of length to it. This is actually a little lighter than the DJI model. I'm going to have this here. Let's peel that off. Okay, so we'll open this up. Batteries will slide in just like that. 1, 2. You're also going to have slots for micro SD cards. That's cool. And then it'll tell you the percentage. So the one battery is at 100%. The other battery is at 82%. You hit that button, it'll tell you your percentages. Now, this does not have a charging battery in it. So you have to plug this in order for this to charge. So as you can see, once it's plugged in and charging, you get the little flashing indicator right there. It tells you where your batteries are. Overall, this is going to be a solid little case. And like me, if you carry 2 cameras, got 2 batteries in there, you got an extra battery for each camera. I think this is going to be a really solid piece, an addition to my camera bag.